This is a Murray T-Bird pedal car that's been restored and modified by RideRestorations.com. We've done a 1950s gasser theme. You can see we have orange metal flake paint, moon tank, velocity stacks, tinted windshield, 4-speed shifter. We have chrome wheels in the back, spoke wheels in the front, fender well headers, parachute in the back, bullet tail lights, Mexican blanket. It still pedals, chrome butterfly steering wheel, gauges on the dash. All of the stripe work is done by hand. Temper tantrum is variegated gold leaf. You can see we have flame lights in the exhaust collectors, bullet lights, LEDs in the back, removed before flight pin in the parachute. Then we've got working headlights, again LED. Again, check us out, RideRestorations.com.